Ang steep ng pataas dito. Ang daming ewan. Hingal yarn. Stairway to heaven. Heaven ako pag natapos ko ito. Agad yan. First, I was elevated. Knox Mountain yan. There's more up there. Now, I'm heading to the top. Just the top of the mountain. Chut-chut-chut-chut. This is the other side. Look. Amazing. Oo, wait lang. Apex. Tignan nyo naman guys. Kung gaano gaganda dito sa taas. Yung ngungi kong friend, abala dun sa titake niya ng picture. Documented daw.
Ganda ng bridge dun, Buksa.
Ha?
Ganda ng bridge dun.
Oo nga. Kelowna Bridge. Look. The view from the top of the mountain. Knox Mountain yarn. Look. What the hell? There's still more there.
Pero mas marami sa Vernon.
See? Like 45 minutes away from Vernon. You're gonna catch this view. Amazing. Akala ko yun yung First Kubo. Ay, tama. First Kubo. Pero look at that. There's another Kubo up there. Where is that? There. 2 kilometers away from us, maybe. Ay, sarap umupo dito. Pagmasdan, walang ulan, unti-unti. Sangiti naman dyan, ngongi.
Pakyo.
Uy, grabe oh. Sensor yun. Look, on this part. Nice. This is the view up. Like in the middle of the trail. I don't know. Look at that. Look how amazing. There's like wildflower here. Like up. Look at that. Look how pretty. See?